Welcome back on this Thursday morning. A wintry mixture is moving through the west end of the UP this morning. So that includes some freezing rain and snow, maybe potentially also some little bit of sleet mixed in. But you're seeing all of the moisture to our south, and that's what's going to be moving in throughout the course of the morning hours out of Wisconsin. So a lot of lightning right over Wausau, just south of Rylander. They're getting a really nice lightning show there. Here closer to home, as I mentioned, it's mainly this mixture and snow over Lake Superior. A little bit of this rain and snow mixture right near Berglund. Likely seeing freezing rain right over Marinesco through Ironwood, and some lightning just south of 64 and the Wisconsin state line. That system is still just to our west, combined with an area of low pressure over Iowa, extending back up into North Dakota as well. So that's all going to track east. And then eventually it's kind of going to hover over us between Friday and Saturday, or just north of us. So that's going to allow some cooler air to spin in, as well as some moisture, which means that we're still going to have some rain and snow for part of this weekend. It's coupled with this mid area of low pressure that's going to dig in right over us and kind of wobble over us as we head towards Saturday. And eventually it looks to kind of shift out by the time Sunday arrives. But in the meantime, there's a marginal risk for some excessive rainfall still across the UP for Wisconsin and the west end of the lower peninsula today. So the rain that we're expecting will range around half of an inch to about 0.8 of an inch of rain. But if you get underneath one of these potentially stronger thunder showers that will lead to more moderate to heavy downpours, these rainfall amounts will likely be higher than that. So a friendly reminder to not drive over any flooded roadways. Remember that underneath rushing water, we don't know the condition of the road underneath it, so that's not safe. And also set aside from that, the power of water is very strong. A foot of water will float your vehicle. 2 feet of rushing water could easily carry your vehicle away. Here's the hour by hour, that mixture turning over into some rain and thunder showers with moderate to heavy pockets by about mid-morning. And then this tracks east. So 1 o'clock in the afternoon, it's in the east end. We kind of catch a break, and then we have some scattered showers and thunder showers for the late afternoon and evening hours. We start off Friday morning dry, and then Friday during the afternoon we start to see an uptick in some spotty rain showers out of the south and western areas. As we head towards Saturday, the cooler air sets in, and then we see an uptick of lake effect snow across the west end of the UP, where it will be a little bit cooler, and then mainly light rain across the east, where it will be just a touch more milder there. Today, temperatures will range in the mid to upper 30s for most areas north, some lower to near mid 40s possible inland and towards the south. Tomorrow will be a little bit milder. There will be a west and an east split for temperatures, so 40s west to near 50 degrees across the east end of the UP. Plan on cooler conditions for Saturday and Sunday, even extending into Monday, but that's really when the dry stretch starts, and then we gradually start to see